Today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple Valentine's Day themed breakfast for your kids, and it's so easy you can even make it before school. You will need the following things. You will need some bacon. You will need some cinnamon rolls in a can. You will need the frosting from the cinnamon rolls in a can. You will need some, what is this called? Some kind of sugaring something. Sanding sugar, you'll need sanding sugar, but it's like, what's that called? Sprinkles, you need sprinkles. Food coloring and some strawberries for garnishing. And that's it, really. Do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna turn all these things into hearts, okay? That's it, that's what makes it Valentine's Day. Okay, so I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I am going to make my bacon hearts first because I wanna put the bacon in first because it can take longer to cook. The bacon's gonna go in at 400 for about 25 minutes, and then the cinnamon rolls are gonna go in at 400 for about 16 minutes. And we're just gonna put it all in the same time. So like what I would do is I would wake up early, come downstairs, get everything in the oven, and I would do this part, what I'm doing, the night before. So all I'm doing is like looping it at the bottom and then just pushing that part down. This is very extra. This is really extra, but it's so cute. All right, so let's talk about Valentine's Day, shall we? I don't know what the history of the holiday is. I don't care. All it is a holiday where we can celebrate positivity and love and make bacon that is shaped like a heart, okay? I'm also running out of video ideas, so if you have any suggestions. Next, we're going to make cinnamon roll hearts. You will take 2 of the rolls. So you may need some zhuzhing of the separating, maybe with a knife. I don't like this step because this does not make it easy, and I'm already putting too much effort into a holiday that was created by a Hallmark card. I ripped it. Could be cute for this could be cute for anniversaries, could be cute for birthdays, maybe. That's what we do to make our kids' lives special, okay? There, perfect. Okay, then we're gonna put this in the oven with the bacon, and then we're gonna make the frosting really cute and fun. So look, you're gonna look at this. Look, it's magically turned in to something amazing. How easy. Look at these beautiful hearts, so easy. I think I left these in for like 15 minutes. And then you're gonna take your frosting that you've turned pink. Is this how I should do this? If you would like to really make this beautiful, you just take your frosting, put it in a little plastic bag, Ziploc bag. You can get some scissors and or you could just do what I did. I'm obviously a seasoned baker.